Inspirasyon para kay Pangulong Aquino na maraming Pilipino ang naniniwala na siya ay magiging matagumpay na Pangulo. Dahil dito tiniyak ng palasyo na patuloy ang gagawing pagsisikap ng Pangulo upang mas bumuti pa ang kalagayan ng bansa at ng mga Pilipino. Si Rocky Ignacio sa detalye.
Inspirasyon para kay Pangulo Aquino ang mataas sa paniniwala ng publiko na magiging isa siyang matagumpay na Pangulo ng bansa. Sa pinakahuling SWS survey, umabot sa 35% ang tiwala sa tagumpay ng pamumuno nito, 6% taas mula sa 29% noong June 2014.
Certainly we thank the public, the respondents, for the Filipino people for recognizing that President Aquino will be a successful president. That is also part of the reason is because parati sinasabi ni Pangulong Aquino, kayo ang gumawa nito. It's a collaborative effort. It's a collective effort, not only of the government, but also of the people who are all invested in making the Philippines a better country. And we've invested there from a mindset of apathy to one of engagement, from a culture of indifference. Now we see more people are very engaged in making sure that they are concerned with good governance. At some point, and even right now as we speak, they recognize those gains, and that's why they consider President Aquino as a successful president. And that will translate eventually, and we believe it will translate eventually.
Dahil dito, tiniyak ng Malacanang na ibayo pang magsisikap ang Pangulo na mas mapabuti pa ang kalagayan ng bansa at maraming Pilipino sa nalalabing mahigit 200 araw sa termino. Ito rin anyang dahilan kung bakit nais ng Pangulo na hindi mabaliwala ang bunga ng reforma sa susunod na pamunuan.
I think those who have benefited from the programs of government will certainly recognize the gains that what the government has done for them. You have 4.4 million families in the CCT program. You've got 90% coverage from the PhilHealth. These are when you think about it, pag-aaralan mo ng gusto mo magpatuloy nito. At susuriin mo kung sino mga kandidatong gusto magpatuloy nito. If you take a hard look at all the candidates, then you can come up to a certain appraisal of what candidate or who's the candidate that you would like to vote to public office or to be the next president.
Magkagayunman, tiwala ang palasyo na batid ng taong bayan na dapat magpatuloy ang tuwid na daan. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.